My video will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called Obsidian ORB. Obsidian ORB is the ransomware that encrypts files and damages the files considerably. Very soon, because of the ransomware attack, it is not possible to use the files anymore. Now, my video is solely for the educational purposes. In the video, I will show you how damaging this ransomware is indeed. Once again, I'm not related to this ransomware, and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So before the ransomware attack, we were able to open our files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Very soon, users realize that something bad has taken place, and here comes the message saying that your PC has just been infected with Obsidian ORB ransomware. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money, so don't pay it. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately. By the way, it appends a special for symbol random extension to the file names. So the extension that is appended is random. I recommend that you remove this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So let's get here, combocleaner.com, combocleaner.com. So through this official website of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, download the software Combo Cleaner, install it, and start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. We recommend that you upgrade to Premium. This will help you to protect your data. Premium license does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your system from further ransomware attacks.